The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find Dryland first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Mac, what do you got?
It's a woman! Looks like... It's Helen!
Return signal. Open the gates.
Close the gates! Mac! Keep a lookout!
Helen!
Sage! Come help me!
It's so good to see you alive. Where you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt.
Yeah.
How'd you come by it?
I've been to Dryland.
A dry land's a myth.
It's not a myth, I've been there. It's our salvation! We can all start new lives on Dryland. We have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle station! Stay right there. Look out!
I've got the girl! Outside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Sickle the Deacon!
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods.
Who's got that golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. The guy's got my golf ball. No, it's okay. We might actually need these people. Bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Yeah, you hear that, Deacon? Do you hear that? These are not your brothers and sisters, am I right?
Shut him up.
You will never shut us up, Deacon! What's that now?
Shut up. Where was I? Thank you. Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this big floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Dry land. We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner. Chuck, shut the gate. You talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend, the guy that poked out my eye?
Oh yeah, look at what he did to him! Look! He can't sing!
Bring me the girl. Right over here, please. Hi. Smoke?
No, thank you.
You know what? That choice doesn't work for me. You wanna play games?
No.
Yeah, we'll play. We'll have a good time. Keep an eye on her for me. Guys, what have you got up there?
We gonna need
Sage!
And he's got dirt!
Ah, dirt. I need to know the way to dry land. So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone! He doesn't know anything.
Good. That makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't you tell him anything!
Oh, and this guy? He's the loser. Drop him!
Wait. No! No!
No! You're gonna tell me where dry land is, or you will be next.
Get here, Marty, high speed!
Hold on to that thought. Shoot him, Chuck!
He's down!
What does that mean? Get over here and find out what's wrong with this. The girl's getting away. fish boy. He's not your kind. You know, actually, he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder. Chugga, we gotta run. Not the girl! We need the girl! Come on, fish boy, make your move. It's down! Find me another weapon. You're the life of the party, aren't you? Well, you're not going to ruin my plans for dry land, you killing that mutated freak? That's all you are, is a freak! Chuck, you better find me a weapon! Hold there! Die! Thank you, good draw under pressure.
I like it.
Come and get it.
Wait, Mariner, no! Hey! You've got something on your face! You've got something on your face! Mariner! I think we got him!
Helen! You got something on your back. Why is he still alive? I want him dead! Get that skyboat back in here. Have him blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of the freak. What is wrong with him? Shut up, please. Andrew! Doc! Sorry, my bad. I need something with a little more kick. Here it is. Ask, and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy! Hi. Look what I found. Big Bertha. Why don't you do us a favor up there and stand in one spot? Woo. You're gonna use Chuck as a shield? I hate Chuck. Okay, thank you. Get up. Come on, get up. You can cry later. Somebody signal my plane! Somebody! How do you like that? I think all of my men are dead.
You can cry later.
Touche. On that ladder for me. Faster, please. I got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. That'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, you and I, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Whoa! Why don't you... Well, way to go, you killed my plane! Doesn't matter, I've got your woman and I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so! You don't have a leg to stand on!
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what?
civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of Waterworld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Waterworld.
Thank you! Ladies and gentlemen, you might recognize some of our performers from the Blue Man Group, Chris Mendez. From the Marksmen, Yayo Keelis. From Get the Girl, Gary Hancock. From West Coast Customs, Andrew Biggins. From Perry Mason, Matt Quinn. And doing that incredible 45-foot fire dive from the Grand Tour, Robert Batson. Riding out through the main gate are 2 heroes from the weekend's music video, False Alarm, Elizabeth Blackwell. And sitting beside her from the motion picture Y, Stan Elton. From the Conan O'Brien Show, my name is Greg Dahl. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy the